So we left Blythe Regional Park where it rains for, 4 hours yesterday. Tony can't see now out of the window, so we stopped before we left the park. Cleaned the windows off. Better to do it now than to find out while we're driving that he can't see, so stopped along the way, cleaned the windows. There you go. His top one too, honey. That's right. He loves when I tell him what to do. He's such a good cleaner, and I'm not. And this is the way we're leaving. And this is his favorite dog, who doesn't care about me, but loves Tony. And here's my good little dog who couldn't give a darn, sleeping away. There she goes, Stella Bella Umbrella, looking at Tony outside in the rain. Now he's cleaning the lights off. Yes, clean the lights, make sure we can see. And here he comes.
All right,
and he's done with Windex and rag in hand.